Welcome to day one of the GamerBody home workout program. Let's jump right into it. For day one, you will need two pieces of equipment to follow along with the program. The first one being dumbbells. I'm going to use adjustable dumbbells, but use whatever you have. The second one being a bench, and I would prefer an adjustable bench for many of the exercises. So with that, you can do your workout. This workout consists of 7 different exercises, and when done with proper rest periods, should take you just about an hour to complete. Now let's take a look at the actual program. For exercise number 1, we are going to be doing the bench press. This exercise will require both the adjustable dumbbells and a bench to complete it. I like to put the bench at a slight incline to help target that upper chest. This is a chest-focused exercise, so really be squeezing your chest throughout each and every rep, staying under control. Don't let the dumbbells come crashing back down by your sides. So you want to force up with your chest and then slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position and repeat for the number of reps necessary. Moving to exercise number 2, we are doing the chest-supported row. This will also require the adjustable dumbbells and a bench in order to do it. And again, I like to put the bench at a slight incline to keep my arms further away from the floor, allowing for a greater range of motion. The focus for this exercise is the back. So yes, your biceps will be involved in the movement as well, but really try and target the back muscles to bring the dumbbells up by your sides and then slowly lower them back down to the elongated position. That way you can really develop a bigger and stronger back. Now for exercise number 3, we are going to do the front squat. This time you only need the dumbbells in order to complete this. We're going to bring them up by our shoulders in front of us to keep balance, as well as provide more resistance for our lower body. The target here is the lower body, primarily being in the quads. I also get quite a bit of glute activation in this movement, but just know the quads are the main target. So again, while controlled, while you're going towards the floor, slow the motion down, and then when you kind of go back up to the standing position, that is where you can provide a little bit more force to get back up there and then repeat for the number of reps that you need. Exercise number 4 is the skull crusher. Here we will need the dumbbells as well as the bench again, and I like to put the bench back at an incline. That way I can help to get my elbows up over my head and target more of the triceps overall. This is a tricep focused exercise, so I want you to get those dumbbells up over your head so that the dumbbells won't hit your forehead, they'd actually go back behind it. And then you really should have those elbows fixed and really focus on the contraction of the triceps to bring your arms straight out over your face. For exercise number 5, we are doing the lateral raise. Here we only need the adjustable dumbbells to do this, and we're going to be doing it in standing position. You can do it while seated, but I prefer to do it standing. The target here is your shoulders, primarily the middle delt. So in this, make sure you only bring your hands up to about shoulder height. You don't need to go higher than that for risk of injury. Just get them up to shoulder height, keeping those elbows up as well, and you will be just fine. Also, you want to focus on keeping tension throughout the entire exercise and not lose it at the very bottom. So don't come all the way back down, go to where you still have tension, and then bring it back up to, again, your shoulder height. For exercise number 6, we are going to be doing the bicep curls, but with a twist. In this exercise, you are going to start in standing position with the dumbbells by your sides and palms facing one another. So more of a hammer style position. Then as they go up, you're going to turn the dumbbells into what's called a supinated position, or where your hands are facing up towards your face or ceiling. This will help activate some of the biceps a little bit better as well. And this is actually what your biceps are meant to do in supinating your palms. So do this to help develop more biceps. Be controlled throughout the entire movement, where the slower portion is going to be lowering them back down to your sides, and the faster can be coming up into the contracted position, but just use it to help build bigger and stronger biceps. And our last exercise is the hip thrust. This time we will need the adjustable dumbbells and the bench again in order to complete this exercise. I like to take the bench and put it up against a wall for some support, but you can do it out in a room if you feel safe to do so. The target of this exercise is your glutes, so I want you, when you're coming up to that tabletop style position, to really be firing your glutes off and contracting them as hard as possible, and then slowly lowering down and then firing them off again to hit them over and over again for each rep. If you do this, you should find that a lot of your posterior muscles in your legs really do get a lot of work in, especially your glutes, which are one of the biggest muscles of your entire body. And that is it for this workout program. So this should again take you about 1 hour to complete, as long as you are following the rest periods that I provided in the video. If you need a full workout sheet and want to also follow the program online, feel free to head over to GamerBody.com and check out the program that exists there. Also, if you haven't already, make sure that you like and subscribe to the YouTube channel in order to get the most recent updates from everything that I'm doing in terms of building GamerBody and getting bigger and stronger from the comfort of home. That's it, so I'll see you in the next video. Be fit and game on.